starfish. Starfish or sea stars are star-shaped echinoderms. Clownfish. Clownfish or anemone fish are fishes from the subfamily. Frogs. A frog is any member of a diverse. Spinosaurus. Spinosaurus is a genus of spinosaurid dinosaur that live in what now is North Africa. Stingrays. Stingrays are a group of sea rays. Dolphin. A dolphin is an aquatic mammal. Hammerhead shark. The hammerhead shark are a group of sharks that form the family Sphinidae. Dolphin. A dolphin is an aquatic mammal. Walrus. Walrus is the name of two commons in northern France. Penguins. Penguins are a group of aquatic flightless birds. Sharks. Sharks are a group of elasmobranch fish. Turtle. Turtle are an order of reptiles known as testodones.